So you are here because you care about your team. Maybe you've already chosen us for your learning experiences. Great decision, by the way. Your team are going to love it and potentially love you. Or maybe you're still deciding if we're the correct fit. In that case, hey, nice to meet you. You've got excellent taste so far. Our workshops are designed to stick, but let's face it, after the session, life happens. Meetings, deadlines, and maybe even the occasional existential crisis can get in the way of things. That's where our on demand video content comes in. Think of these videos as your team's secret weapon. They reinforce key concepts from our workshops, keeping them fresh in your team's minds, whether that be before a session, maybe a day later, could be a month later, or right before that really big meeting where they really need a reminder. And the best part? These videos aren't just helpful, they're super flexible. Your team can watch them whenever they like, wherever they are, so long as they have Wi-Fi or can borrow from someone that does, obviously with them knowing, don't steal the internet. Waiting for coffee? Video. On the train? Video. Avoiding a weird conversation during lunch? Yep, video. So let's get to the serious part. Whether you've already chosen our workshops or you're about to, because let's be honest, you're definitely leaning that way, adding videos takes learning to the next level. It gives your team the tools to go above and beyond. So remember, we deliver workshops they'll love and videos that make it stick. Because let's be honest, if the knowledge doesn't last, is anyone really learning? What a great philosophical way to end that was.